Here's a great deal on a 2016 GMC Sierra 1500. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and a split-folding rear seat. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop in and take a test drive.